Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to stop spam comments on your WordPress website using Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have installed and activated the Ultimate Security plugin on your WordPress dashboard. First, let's navigate to the settings. Hover over the settings menu in the Ultimate Security top bar, go to Bot Protection, and select Cloudflare Turnstile. Spam comments are often generated by automated bots that slow down your site and hurt your SEO. To prevent this, we'll use Turnstile, a privacy-friendly, user-friendly alternative to traditional CAPTCHAs. Toggle the Enable switch under Default WordPress form. This automatically enables all the forms. We are deselecting the other forms, but if you want to protect all of them, you can activate them too and make sure WordPress comment is selected if you want to protect yourself from bot spamming comments. Now, we need to connect to Cloudflare. Enter your site key and secret key in the designated fields. These keys ensure that the protection is active and verified. Once entered, you'll see a notification confirming that Turnstile protection is now fully configured. If you don't know where to get the keys, check the description box for links. Scroll down to the Turnstile Logs section and enable them. This is a vital feature that allows you to monitor real-time activity and see exactly how many bot attempts were blocked. You can see the success logs here, showing that the system is correctly identifying legitimate users. Now, click Save Changes at the top right to finalize your setup. With these settings, your comment section is now protected by a layer of security that stops bots without frustrating your real visitors. Let's see it in action. We'll head over to a blog post and scroll down to the comment section. Notice how clean the interface is. As a user begins to fill out their name, email, and comment, the Turnstile widget works silently in the background. The user can type their message without solving annoying puzzles or clicking on pictures of traffic lights. Once they click Post Comment, the verification happens instantly. As you can see, the comment is submitted successfully and is now awaiting moderation. Back in the dashboard, the Turnstile logs reflect this successful interaction. By using Ultimate Security, you get relief from manual spam moderation and keep your database clean. It's a seamless way to protect your site's reputation while ensuring a smooth experience for your community. Download the Ultimate Security plugin via the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress security tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.